Okay, I'm filming. Let's do one final control check. Let him get a little bit further out so I can get the tips.
Okay.
That's full left, neutral, full right. Want to do the elevator? Up, down. Okay, we're filming. Whoops. Okay, we're filming anytime you're ready to go. Rotate. Hard, 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 hard. Okay, full left. Keep going hard, keep going hard. You got it, 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 you got it. Keep going, keep going. Get it back on the runway. Get it back on the runway. Hard, hard, hard. Hard, hard, hard. Get a little closer. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Nice.
Go,
keep going, keep going. Can you turn to the right? Okay, maybe stop. Oh, no, if you think you can save it, I guess. All right, there we go. Nice landing. Nice landing. This does not seem very controllable. I don't know what's going on. We'll have to watch these videos.